Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and connection. Make sure your AirPods are charged and paired. Once connected, open Control Center on iPhone or iPad or the Volume/Bluetooth menu on Mac. Tap the audio card or AirPlay icon to reveal noise control options. This is where the toggle lives. Make sure you can see noise control or transparency choices. If you already have AirPods in your ears, you'll be able to test changes immediately, which speeds the process. Now you perform the actual change. Choose your AirPods in the audio output list, then locate the noise control settings. Tap or click noise cancellation to toggle it off. You'll hear ambient sound return. If your AirPods are configured for press and hold controls, press and hold a stem to cycle modes. Check Bluetooth settings to confirm that action is mapped to noise control. Make sure to listen for environmental noise so you know cancellation is disabled. Finish by verifying the status. The control center should show noise cancellation off or transparency active. Play audio to confirm you can hear surroundings. If controls are missing, make sure your device has the latest iOS or Mac OS, then disconnect and reconnect the AirPods. If that fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes, then repair. One tip: if audio still seems muffled after toggling, clean ear tips and repeat the toggle to ensure mode actually changed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.